Hello, welcome back to GlowFit YouTube channel, so let's start today. Running is one of the simplest, most accessible, and incredibly beneficial forms of exercise. But starting a regular running habit can be tough. What if you pushed through? What rewards would your body give you? The changes are more profound than you might think. Benefit 1. The happiness boost. First, you will be happier. Science shows that just a 30-minute run can lift the mood of someone with depression. You don't need speed. Even a jog at a walking pace helps. As you run longer, your body releases endorphins, creating that famous runner's high benefit 2, the calorie incinerator. You'll burn serious calories. Running demands a lot of energy. For example, a 155 lb runner can burn about 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace. That's 366 calories in 30 minutes on flat ground. Add hills, wind, or speed. You'll torch even more. Benefit 3. Stronger knees bones. Contrary to myth, running is good for your knees. Runners actually have lower rates of knee pain. Why? Running helps maintain a healthy weight and, crucially, that impact stress strengthens your leg muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments, something non-impact exercises can't replicate as effectively. Benefit 4. A healthier heart. Your heart gets stronger. Aerobic exercise fortifies your cardiovascular system. The best part? You don't need to run for hours. Just 10 minutes of slow jogging daily can significantly reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Benefit 5. A sharper brain. Can't remember where you left your keys? Go for a run. Aerobic exercise that gets your heart pumping and makes you sweat has been proven to enhance brain function, improving memory and cognitive speed. Benefit 6. Better sleep immunity. You'll sleep better. Studies show regular, moderate running leads to higher quality sleep, which boosts mental state. Plus, your immune system gets a major upgrade. Regular aerobic exercise reduces the risk of severe illness, including various forms of cancer. Benefit 7. 8. A strong, toned body. And yes, you'll sculpt a powerful physique. Running loads the body's largest muscle groups, your glutes, thighs, and calves. But it's not just legs. Your core and back muscles work hard to stabilize your body. It's a near full-body workout. How to run safely to get these benefits safely and avoid injury? Follow these simple rules. 1. Invest in proper running shoes. 2. Increase your distance and speed gradually. 3. Cross-train with swimming or cycling. 4. Do strength exercises for balance. 5. Always warm up and cool down with stretches. 6. Consider a coach to perfect your form. Treadmill versus outdoors. Now, the big question. Treadmill or outdoors? Psychologically, fresh air and changing scenery win. If you have access to a park or clean air, outdoor running is fantastic for the mind and body. But if you live in a city with high pollution, a treadmill in a gym with filtered air might be healthier. Outdoors, it's easier to vary your pace naturally. Indoors, you can train precisely, regardless of weather. The best choice? The one that gets you running consistently.